Hey everyone, welcome to Kitchen Tool Recipes. Today we're making bold and spicy Piri Piri chicken with a flavorful spicy chicken rice. First, roast some shallots, red chilies, and peppers until charred. Blend them with garlic, herbs, lemon, and spices to make that killer Piri Piri marinade. Rub it all over a spatchcocked chicken and let it soak overnight. Then bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, basting often until juicy and perfectly cooked. Cook your rice with some marinade and chicken stock, then whip up a buttery, honeyed sauce with the leftovers. Serve it all together for a dish packed with fiery, zesty flavor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more recipes from Kitchen Tool Recipes. Enjoy!